if you're scientifically literate, the world looks different to you. Kasi nga, every para sa'yo, may explanation lahat. Parang may cause and effect. Parang everything happens for a reason, and that reason is usually physics. Parang ganon. Kasi bago mo paniwalaan, i-analyze mo muna through experiments and observation. Kasi iniisip mo palagi yung forces in motion, yung mga 3 laws ni Newton, interaction ng matter, mga ganon. Na-apply rin sa sports tsaka sa buhay, mga ginagawa araw-araw.